Traders, I'm looking at the Aussie yen on the daily time frame. So have a look at this candle over here and the wick under. This is traded into this level here, liquidity. Stops resting under here have been hit, and you can see the reaction off here. So I'm looking for a sell opportunity given that this is broken structure here. So we have a break of market structure bearish. Now trending down lower highs, lower lows, daily time frame. We'll go down to the 4H. Here's the thing with this. You'll find that the Japanese yen can get pretty aggressive with the way they move this thing around. They can hunt stops in a really aggressive manner. And, you just notice it. This is a 4-hour chart, but, it's trending up. And then they hit these stops here prior to this run. It's trending nicely. But every now and again, you're going to get this pullback, and you imagine how many traders shorted this, and then look what they do. Okay, now just be careful with the any of the yen pairs. All right, it can be pretty volatile, especially with this yen carry trade business going on at the moment. Okay, so look, that's an idea, but so's this. I've been seeing a lot of this lately. Okay, and then all of a sudden, you get these moves here, that one. And who knows, we may or may not see something here, but just be aware that that's a possibility, and, you want to allow for an aggressive move above, possibly, above this range here to take out liquidity. So just be careful. You could go out to a daily and speculate if you wanted to. I'd probably go with something like this. Just kind of widen the stop a bit. Say above this red candle here, something like that. That's one idea, okay? That's one idea. I mean, it's a higher time frame opportunity, and we'll target these lows over here on the left, right? Something like that. So you've got a bit of room to breathe in case they decide to push it up above the previous daily high over here to take out stops before we see any further downside. That's one idea. And then, of course, you can trade this on the lower time frame. Let's just take that out for a second, and if you want to take the risk, well, you go down to a 4H or even an hourly chart, and if you're going to trade it on this time frame, then here's an entry, but understand the risk. I wouldn't, that could have been an entry, and then stop above the high, something like that. That could be an idea, but I definitely don't trust this on a Monday. I wouldn't trade that today, but generally speaking, in a trend, you do that, right? High, low, retrace, and on it goes. High, low, retrace, yeah? High, low, retrace, but watch out. Okay, that idea here, I wouldn't recommend that at all on Monday. I've done this before. I have a look at a daily candle, for example, or a weekly candle, and you'll notice, I should say, the high and low of the candle, right? So you get the open, if it's a bearish, right? So you get the open, the high of the day, all right, the low of the day, then the close. So just watch out for this movement and on Monday. So you got a combination of the daily time frame Monday, if it's bearish and it does this, and the weekly as well, right? A weekly candle, same concept. So watch out for that, guys. What else can I say? My bias is to short this, but yeah, I'm just going to go with this widest stop. Take it up, like you've got this value area here. That's one thing, but you've also got this value area here, and I'm inclined to take my stop up to this level here, just to give that a little bit extra breathing space. That can also get taken out. They get really aggressive with their raids on liquidity, so be very careful. The markets are pretty volatile at the moment. We've got interest rate decision or a announcement coming up in September. We've got the elections going on. We've got the yen carry trade. If you haven't already, maybe search and find out what that's about. The yen carry trade issue that's impacted a lot of people, and enormous volatility in the markets. Okay, so it's not easy trading at the moment. Okay, with that, guys, love to hear your thoughts on this, so definitely leave a comment, and with that, have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.